to prepare with you another ancient Roman dish. This time a very easy one. It's a starter that is egg-based. It's basically here hard-boiled eggs, but with a special sauce that actually reflects very well the idea of Roman cooking. Because we have here pine nuts that are already grind down. We have as spices pepper, coriander seeds, caraway, and then the trinity of ancient Roman seasoning, which is honey for the sweet, verjuice for the sour, and well, fish sauce, garum or liquamen, for the salty. The combination of these three tastes was very important in Roman cuisine because it was thought that everything should include all those three tastes. And then, of course, we have olive oil. So to start with, we cut those hard-boiled eggs into halves and arrange them on the plate. Then we prepare the sauce. The pestle and pine nuts. Pine nuts are rather expensive. If you like to go for a cheaper version, take almonds. Works as well. A nice amount of pepper. Some coriander seeds, as well as some caraway. Now, the question is dosing. How sweet, how salty do you want it? I put a little bit of honey. Not too much. It's supposed to be a savory dish after all. A little bit of verjuice. Now, verjuice is, as I had explained in some of the previous videos before, the juice of unripe grapes. It's still widely used in Iranian cuisine as well, and you can find it in delicacy stores. If you don't have it, good apple vinegar would do as well. Now we add some garum, the fish sauce, for which you can easily take the Vietnamese or Thai fish sauce, that is basically the same. Add some olive oil and mash the whole thing up into a paste. Now that you have obtained a nice paste, just put it on top of the eggs and voila! In ovis apalis, a recipe by Apicius from the 1st century AD.